Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the SetActive function. What is SetActive? SetActive is a Unity method that allows you to activate or deactivate game objects during runtime. This can be useful for controlling the visibility or behavior of objects based on player input, game states, or other factors. When to use SetActive? You would typically use SetActive when you want to temporarily hide objects from the scene, like turning off an enemy when it's defeated, or disabling a UI element like a health bar when it's no longer needed. Before we start coding, let's look at the inspector window. You'll see a checkbox next to each game object labeled active. This shows the current state of the game object, and when it's unchecked, the object is deactivated. Now, let's write a simple script that will toggle the active state of a game object. We'll use SetActive to hide and show an object based on player input. In this code, when the game starts, the player will change the active state of the object. Let's test this out. As you can see, when the game starts, my cube is hidden from your scene. Now let's do the opposite. Let's hide our cube from the stage at the beginning. Let's reveal this cube again at the start with the code. Yes, this time the hidden object is now back in the field. We can now use it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.